Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. Friends, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful haircut. Different ideas of hair dye, many much more latest collection. So beautiful collection of hairstyling, fine hairstyle. Beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, messy hairstyles. And so attractive collection of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. So attractive collection of highlights in blonde color. In burgundy color, in funky colors, and many much more latest collection of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. And very attractive ideas of undercut. And many much more beautiful and latest variety ideas. Of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish. And you look too gorgeous, you look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video. Your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me. Support my channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. If you're new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I'll become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. I'll wait. So friends, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.